Good morning, students. Today we will discuss composite function. In order to discuss the composite function, we have to take three non-empty sets. Let A, B and C be three non-empty sets. Then if f is a mapping from A to B, mapping means function from A to B, and G is a mapping from B to C, then there exists a mapping from function from A to C, which is denoted by GOF, is called composite function. And let f is a function from A to B, denoted by this way, and G is a function from B to C, denoted by this way. Then there exists a function from A to C called composite function, and it is denoted by GOF A to C. And this is the diagram for the composite function. And GOF is equal to GOFX is equal to G of fx. Deleting this sign O, we get, or G of fx is equal to Z, because f of y is equal to f of x is equal to y, and putting the value of f of x is equal to y, and putting the value of f of x, that is y, and g of y is equal to z. Therefore, g of x is equal to z. This is the criteria of the composite function. Now let us discuss question number 13, same exercise 1.3. If f is a function from real number to real number given by f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube raised to power 1 by 3, then f of x is A option x की power 1 by 3, B option x cube, C option x, and D option is 3 minus x cube. According to the question, f of x, given function is from real number to real number given by f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube raised to power 1 by 3. Therefore, f of x is equal to f bracket f of x. In order to find the value of f of fx, simply change x to fx in the function fx. Changing x to fx. By changing x to fx, we will get 3 minus x to fx raised to power 3. मीडियम ब्रैकेट लगा लेंगे यहाँ पे x के स्थान पर fx लिख दिया और raised to power 3 whole raised to power 1 by 3. And at last, substituting the value of again fx, and after calculation we will get its answer, that is 3 minus, substituting the value of fx, that is 3 minus x cube raised to power 3 raised to power 1 by 3 and whole raised to power 3, medium bracket as it is. This is the value of fx and whole raised to power 3 है, and this again raised to power 1 by 3. 3 से 3 cancelled, we will get 3 minus x cube raised to power 1 whole raised to power 1 by 3. That is equal to 3 minus 3 plus x cube raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to x cube raised to power 1 by 3. Cutting 3 by 3, we get x, and option C is the correct answer. So this is the option. Now let us discuss the application of the composite function. Question number 3, part 2. if fx is equal to 8x cube and gx is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3, then find GOF and FOG. According to the questions, fx is equal to 8x cube and gx is equal to x raised to power 1 by 3. Now, GOF is equal to GOFX. Same way to writing this. That is the same thing. And deleting the sign O and inserting bracket here, we get G of fx, because G of fx is equal to G of fx. This means G of fx. Now let us find the value of G of fx in term of fx. In term of fx, value of gx is here G of fx is equal to fx raised to power 1 by 3. Fx raised to power 1 by 3, simply changing x into fx. Fx raised to power 1 by 3, and at last putting the value of fx, we get 8x cube raised to power 1 by 3, and that is equal to 2x whole cube raised to power 1 by 3, that is equal to 2x. This is the value of GOF, composite function, if f of x and g of x is given to you. Similarly, FOG is equal to FOGX, that is equal to f of gx. In order to find the value of f of gx, simply change x into gx in fx. In fx, changing x into gx, we get f of gx is equal to 8 into gx ka cube, 8 into gx ki power 3. And putting the value of gx, we get 8 into x raised to power 1 by 3 raised to power 3, cutting 3 by 3, we get 8x. In this way, we can find the value of composite function FOG and GOF if fx and gx are given to you. This is the method, this is the simplest method to find these values of composite functions. Thank you. Now let us discuss the application of the composite functions. Exercise 1.3, question number 3, part 1. Find composite function GOF and FOG if f of x is equal to x modulus and g of x is equal to 5x minus 2 modulus. So first of all, let us find GOF. GOF is equal to G of x. Two methods to write GOF. GOF is equal to G of x. That is equal to G of fx. Deleting the sign O, we get G of fx. Now in function of gx, changing x into fx, we get 5 into fx minus 2 whole modulus. So this is the value of G of fx, 5 into gx fx minus 2 whole modulus. Again at last, substituting the value of fx, we get 5 into x modulus minus 2 whole modulus. That is the value of the G of GOF, composite function GOF. Similarly, FOG is equal to FOGX, that is equal to f of gx. Substituting changing x into gx in fx, we get gx modulus, and again substituting the value of gx, we get 5x minus 2 modulus whole modulus, and taking only the single modulus 5x minus 2 modulus, that is the value of FOG. So it is clear that GOF is not equal to f of g, because this is separate and this is a separate thing. You can say that it is not true that GOF is not equal to FOG for every question. So in this question, we have find the value of GOF and FOG.